Protecting yourself from debt collectors, navigating traps in your rights. If you or a loved one is over 65, it is crucial to be aware of the potential financial traps that can arise during hospital admissions and debt collection calls. Hospitals often use legal loopholes to create financial burdens for seniors, leading to significant out-of-pocket expenses or denying essential rehabilitation care. It is vital to understand your rights and the exact phrases to use to protect your health and financial well-being. The first trap involves the out-of-network specialist surprise. Many seniors do their homework to ensure that the hospital they choose is in-network, only to receive unexpected bills from out-of-network doctors who provided services during their stay. The No Surprises Act was created to protect patients from these situations. Upon arrival at a hospital, you should state, "I only consent to treatment by in-network providers under the No Surprises Act." This statement legally notifies the hospital that they bear the financial responsibility if they bring in out-of-network specialists. The second trap is premature discharge, sometimes called rehab dumping. Hospitals often discharge patients before they are medically ready due to pressure to free up beds. Medicare patients have a right to appeal a discharge they believe is premature. If you or a family member feels unprepared to leave, say, "I don't feel medically ready for discharge, and I am requesting an expedited appeal through the QIO." This request ensures that the hospital cannot discharge you while the appeal is being reviewed. The third trap concerns unauthorized medication substitutions. Hospitals use their own pharmacies, which may not stock the medications you take regularly, leading to potentially dangerous substitutions without your knowledge. To prevent this, maintain an updated list of your medications and dosages and hand it to the admitting doctor with the instruction, "Do not substitute or alter any of my maintenance medications without explicit clinical review and my written consent." This protects you from potentially harmful changes. The fourth trap involves blanket financial responsibility forms. Upon admission, patients are often handed forms that include clauses stating that they assume financial responsibility for any services not covered by insurance. Signing these forms without reading them can lead to unexpected bills. Instead, write, "Signing only for authorized insurance benefits, not personal financial liability for uncovered balance billing," next to your signature. This protects you from inflated charges. The fifth trap is observation status versus inpatient admission. Many Medicare patients are classified as outpatients even while receiving full hospital services, which means they do not qualify for Medicare coverage of rehabilitation care that requires at least 3 days of inpatient admission. If you're placed in a hospital bed, ask, "Am I admitted as an inpatient or under observation status?" If told you are under observation, request, "I am requesting that my status be reviewed for formal inpatient admission based on medical necessity." This ensures your status is legally documented. To reinforce your understanding and protection, remember these 5 key phrases to use during hospital visits or debt collection calls. Write them down and keep them handy. Am I admitted as an inpatient or under observation status? I request my status be reviewed for inpatient admission based on medical necessity. I only consent to treatment by in-network providers under the No Surprises Act. Do not substitute my maintenance medications without clinical review and my consent. Signing only for authorized insurance benefits, not personal financial liability for balance billing. By using these phrases consistently, you can protect yourself from financial traps and ensure that you receive the care you need without incurring unnecessary costs. Knowledge of your rights is essential, and it is your responsibility to assert them. Share this information with seniors in your life to help them navigate these potential pitfalls and maintain their financial security.